What timber-free substructure solutions do Ecoscape offer? So it doesn't matter if you're doing cladding or decking, Ecoscape can supply 100% timber-free substructure solutions. For example, these two here are for vertical cladding, battens and boards, and these two here are for decking, 2x2 and essentially 5x2. These are all 100% plastic, all 100% recycled, and also 100% recyclable. If you'd rather have an aluminium option, they can supply that too in the form of this aluminium profile, which is powder coated in black. Is the 100% plastic substructure easy to work with? Yes is the answer. If you are already confident working with timber, you should have no issues using the 100% plastic substructure components to form your substrate. The only thing you have to be mindful of is that this is extremely dense. So on occasion, you might have to pilot hole or pre-drill before you install any of your fixings. In what scenario would I choose to use 100% plastic substructure components? So these substructure components have been specifically designed to replace commonly used timber profiles. For example, this one is exactly the same dimensions as a rough sawn 4x1 timber board. This one is a direct replacement for a 2x1 tile lat or counter batten. This is the same dimension as a 5x2. That's for decking and can span 1.5 meters unsupported. And this is a direct replacement for a 2x2 that can span 600 mil unsupported, but that profile comes with an abundance of different uses as well. The last one to mention is this post. That is a direct replacement for a 4" by 4" post. Perfect for concreting in the ground. It's never going to rot off because it's 100% plastic.